GRK ready in a short span of time. Once barren, futile, worthless, unproductive land has changed into a big township with edifices and sophisticated technologies, including well-equipped, well-established, and unique schools and college.
Check this.
நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும் இந்த இடம் எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு?
அட மக்கு, நான் வந்து இடம் கூட உனக்கு தெரியல. நம்ம பையன் 4 வயசா இருக்கும் போதே இந்த இடத்தை விட்டுட்டு வேற இடத்துக்கு போனது நினைவில்லையா என்ன?
போயா சும்மா காணும் என்கிட்ட கதை கட்டாத. நாம இன்னும் பின்னால தானே இருந்தோம்.
அட கொப்புரானே, 2004 வருஷமே இந்த இடத்த ஒரு மகாராஷ்டிரா வாங்கி அது ஒரே முட்டா மாத்திட்டாங்கிறது உனக்கு தெரியலையா?
பெரிய பெரிய ஆபீஸுங்க அடுக்குமாடி கட்டணும், அதனால தான் அதெல்லாம் மாறி இருக்குது. இப்படியாக எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா நாம இங்கிருந்து போயிருக்க வேணாம் இல்ல?
நாம இங்கே இருந்திருந்தா இந்த இடம் இவ்வளவு செழுமையா இருந்திருக்குமா? பெரிய பெரிய ரோடு நான் இருக்குமா? ஒரே குப்பையும் குடிசையுமா இருந்திருக்கும். உருப்படியா எதுவும் இல்லாத இந்த இடத்துல சொர்ண பூமின்னு பேர் வச்சிருந்தே தெரியலையா அவங்க இந்த இடத்த பொன்மயமாக்கிட்டாங்கன்னு? அடியாத்தி, எவ்வளவு பெரிய காலேஜ் ஸ்கூலு எல்லாம் இங்க வந்துடுச்சு.
ஆமா செய்யூரில் இருக்கிற அக்கா கூட அவங்க பிள்ளைங்க இங்கே தான் படிக்கிறதா சொல்கிறாங்க. அந்த பொண்ணு நல்லா இங்கிலீஷ் படிக்குதான், சித்திரம் வரைதான், விளையாடுதான். அது மட்டுமா கம்ப்யூட்டரில் கூட எல்லாம் செய்தாமே.
ஆமாம், இங்கே இந்த ஸ்கூல்ல நல்ல வசதியும் நல்ல படிப்பு சொல்லித்தராங்க. நல்லா இருக்குன்னு எல்லாம் பேசிக்கிறாங்க. சரி வா போகலாம்.
Man is a creature who always aspires for a bright future. We are going to see how a mission has been visioned by a visionary leader. These are our maiden and prime batch of students who have come all the way from different parts of the world for their silver jubilee of their alma mater. Because of our enterprising leader, they could yield many icons in different fields.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing?
I am a scientist. What about you?
I am an aeronautical engineer and I am holding the position of commander in Boeing 808. I am happy to see you in this reunion and I am happy being here after many years.
I am also very happy to see all my classmates and teachers. We were the first batch of students and almost know everybody of them.
Yes, I also met many of our classmates in different walks of life. I can recall our good old school days which were full of fun. I wonder how much we learned without of us in our school days.
I remember how we were taught even in different concepts in a playway method. How much of exposure we got to try our skill in various fields.
Yes, that is precisely the reason for our present position, my friend. Nice meeting you.
Me too.
Hey, get ready soon. The chief guest is expected at any time.
Yeah. I want to see our chief minister. Who is our chief guest?
Do you know that he's an ex-student of our school?
Oh, I know one more news that his father also studied in this school.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Our campus has many other advantages because we have many other colleges like SAM, Midas, Virginia Tech, the business school, etc.
Oh, really?
Yes, the students can continue the higher studies here itself.
Not only that, look at Sridhar. He has completed his education here and has got observed space research organization in Sonamumi itself.
Oh, is it so?
Yes.
We need not worry about the college admissions as we have institution to cater to our needs here itself.
Oh, it's great.
What are you seeing?
Oh, this is the invitation for the centenary celebration of a school.
Oh, centenary celebration of a school.
The Mak Navajyoti Vidyalaya Sonamumi.
Oh, I have heard about this school. In newspaper, we see every day some
achievements are the other by the student, this school is making a mock of its own all over Tamil Nadu.
Yes, look at the people over here. An astronaut who had set his foot on Mars has come here. The International Monetary Fund director has come here to take part in the centenary celebration of the school.
Did you know who this person is? He is a scientist who invented the medicines for curing the dreadful disease cancer.
Oh, I see. The most astonishing thing is that from his father, 3 generations have studied in the same school. Look there.
Wow.
People are moving between building to building in ropeways. I think very few places in India have such system.
Not only that, because the whole of Swarnabhumi is blooming with industries, education institution, office. It is great to see that students pick up in helicopter from 7:30 to 8:30. We can see the helicopter lining up here to drop the student.
Have you seen how economically do they use the space here? You can see the buttons kept here and there which supplies water. By the press of the button, then students get water directly to the mouth. Also, sensors are used to minimize the usage of electricity.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Have you seen how remarkable the greenery is around the school?
Yes. Greening the environment was the mission of the school and Mark Company from the day of inception.
Look at that person. Do you recognize him?
No.
He is a Olympic champion in swimming. As a student of MNV or given an opportunity, we have world records started in cricket, tennis, chess, etc. from the school.
Look at that person, the founder of the school, Mr. J.K. Reddy, who's going to address the gathering.
Yes, he is a gentle and energetic person. Look at that audience. Many who are the ex-students of the school have come.
Let's go.
Our vision do not stop with Silver Jubilee. We further proceed to centenary celebrations with wide developments which are amazing, mind-boggling and overwhelming. Let's not stop with this but aim for higher. Sky is the only limits.
Honorable Prime Minister of the country, Governor of the Tamil Nadu, Honorable Ministers from the state. It is an important moment in the history of our school that we are celebrating centenary of our school. Visioning has been my passion and approaching things differently has enabled our institution has come up to this level with more innovation, invention, and I am sure that our students turned out from here will be the world leader. Already our country has become superpower in world arena. Technology and scientific research are making the people of other countries in world to get trained in India. We still keep up the human value with more tackle crisis most efficiently. We are living in a nation which is very diverse but still function as one unit. Let us hail this unity in diversity. Jai Hind!
I think GRK should see this video. My children here of Mark Navajyoti Vidyalaya are efficient visionaries. I'm sure GRK would think, I think he's leaving an imprint on the visionaries of Mark Navajyoti. Me and Dr. MKP were thinking, I think the kind of performances today on the first year of the school, we are all proud parents. I spoke in Tamil to the parents very specifically. I am very privileged to be part of this team, wonderful team. My students are speaking flawless English. The kind of delivery I think they have done on the stage today on the vision can even my MBA, I have a lot of MBA colleagues in my team and they should see the video today, how to present Swarnabhumi. They will learn from Mark Navajyoti Vidyalaya. Good show guys.